I'm in Saint Paul now. I'm just entering the old town, and you can get here from Nice within an hour. It takes around an hour to get here, and it's only 150, which is great. It's super cheap to get around here. And yeah, so let's explore. Okay, these are all art galleries here. I think I just landed in heaven. There's another art gallery. Another. Here as well. I just fell out of the bus and landed in heaven. Did I die? This is so crazy. I love this so much. I did not expect this. This is insane. Absolutely insane. This is so freaking insane that really this street is out of art galleries. Wow. You can actually walk on the wall. It goes pretty deep here. So be careful, but yeah, you can walk here all around the old town. So I'm gonna do that now. And the views are absolutely freaking insane. I fell in love with this place, like honestly, it's so beautiful. So casually walking on the wall. So Saint Paul is very old. It's the first recognition was like in 1241, so super old, and then it was rebuilt, and can we just I fell in love. It's such a beautiful village, and when you're ever in the neighborhood, just come here and enjoy. This is narrow. I have not eaten this in the longest time. So these are zucchini flowers, and we used to make them in Sweden all the time when I was younger. And I haven't eaten them in years because we always miss the time, and it's really hard to get them in Germany. So so good.